Alright, this is going to be a video of this 17-inch WEIYE USB ceiling fan that I got about a month ago. And I hanged it up on this outlet box which replaced my 52-inch Mickey Air traditional Mojo. And right away, why is the camera quality so much better? Is because I got a new iPhone. And I'll be recording with this new iPhone SE for like a lifetime or maybe a long time. Anyways, back to the ceiling fan itself. It is only running with a switch right here, and it's only one speed. So I'll turn it on right now. As you can see, it is not even that fast, but it actually pushes a decent amount of air, as you can see in the camera. It is really quiet as well. And with this new iPhone SE I got, I'll be making 1080p HD remake videos of my ceiling fans and portable fans really soon. Now turn it off. As you can see, it stopped really quickly. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more content.